Hey guys, Matt here, just out from Mount Magnet doing some detecting. So we've got the new Minelab GPX 6000. So I just brought it out, see how it's going. It's going okay so far, pinging some gold. So there's a lot of rubbish in the area, so we just scraped back the top bit just to make sure it's hopefully not rubbish. And yeah, we're gonna play our favorite game. Is it junk or is it gold? Stay tuned and we'll have a look. So you can see here, we've just got a faint little signal. So we'll just scrape back a bit and see what it is. Hopefully it's down a bit, that always makes me feel better. We're still in there, that's a good sign. So I feel like it's just here somewhere. So dig a bit more of that out. What I should have done then was a bit of a rookie mistake. I should have moved the sand from the other pile, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Just means I've got more dirt to sort through. So I think it's out. So there's not any clear signals there, but I think there's still a bit of a signal there, so we'll dig a bit more out, see how we go. So there we go now. Yeah, so I think it's out. I think it's just here somewhere, I think. Hopefully, anyway. See if we can find what it is. Yeah, cool, it's out, so hopefully it's the right colour. So one thing you can do, if you don't want to sort this much dirt that's in here, you can just get your pick with the magnet on it and just dip it in there. Just run it through what's in there, and if it is a bit of tin, that can save you a lot of time, so hopefully the noise is still there. And it is, so I suppose that's a good sign. It should be in here. Can't see it yet. So I think I've dropped it somehow. It must be tiny, whatever it is. Man, that is tiny, whatever this is. Is it a piece of gold? I think it might be a piece of gold. Yeah, look at that. That is a tiny, tiny piece of gold. Picked up with the GPX 6000, so it's a pretty amazing machine. I don't even know if you'd get that with the 2300, so pretty impressive effort. So yeah, we'll add it to the collection and keep digging. We'll see you guys on the next one.